Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Excel. Friends, if you regularly work in HPLC, then I think you must be very much familiar about these two columns, C8 and C18. These two types of column are very important and used in reverse phase chromatography. So in today's video, I am going to differentiate between C8 and C18 column. This video is going to be very important and useful for you. So viewers, watch the video till the end. Before starting the video, I want to tell you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for my latest video updates. So let's begin. First of all, we should know what is C8 column. C8 column has octyl silane as its stationary phase, and this compound in stationary phase has 8 carbon atoms in its alkyl chain. It tends to retain components of this analyte less than that of C18 column. Therefore, a component will elute faster in a C8 column. However, it is less dense because it has a less number of carbon atoms. The length of the carbon chain of this compound in stationary phase is short. The nonpolar compounds move down the column rapidly with C8 column. It is mainly because of the lower hydrophobicity. Next is, what is C18 column? C18 column has octadecyl silane as its stationary phase. It contains 18 carbon atoms in its alkaline chain. Further, it tends to retain more components of the analyte when compared to C8 columns. The analyte will elute slower in this column. Moreover, C18 is denser than a C8 column, and this increases the path length of the analyte through the column. Also, this allows the separation of more complex compounds. The retention time of this column is high. In addition, the hydrophobicity of the stationary phase is high. It allows the solo elution of nonpolar compound through the column. Friends, in this video, I am going to differentiate C8 and C18 column on the following basis. That is, on the basis of definition, on the basis of types of alkyl groups, on the basis of stationary phase, on the basis of hydrophobicity, on the basis of density, on the basis of number of carbon atoms, on the basis of elution, on the basis of retention time, on the basis of degree of separation, and on the basis of type of separation. Let's discuss one by one. First one is definition. C8 column refers to a types of column used in the reverse phase chromatography containing octyl silane as its stationary phase, while the C18 column refers to another type of column used in reverse phase chromatography containing octadecyl silane as the stationary phase. Next is, on the basis of types of alkyl groups. C8 column contains an octyl chain. On the other hand, C18 column contains an octadecyl chain. Next is, on the basis of stationary phase. The stationary phase of C8 column is contain octyl silane. On the other hand, the stationary phase of C18 column is contains octadecyl silane. Next is, on the basis of hydrophobicity. C8 stationary phase has a low hydrophobicity. On the other hand, C18 stationary phase has a high hydrophobicity. Next is, on the basis of density. C8 column has a less dense stationary phase. On the other hand, C18 column has a high dense stationary phase. Next is, on the basis of number of carbon atoms present in two columns. The number of carbon atom in C8 column is 8. On the other hand, the number of carbon atom in C18 column is 18. Next is, on the basis of elution. In case of C8 column, analyte elute faster. On the other hand, in the case of C18 column, analyte elute slower. Next is on the basis of retention time. C8 column shows a low retention time. On the other hand, C18 column shows a high retention time. Next is on the basis of degree of separation. C8 column gives a relatively low separation. On the other hand, C18 column gives a greater separation. And the last one is type of samples. C8 column separates small organic compounds better. On the other hand, the C18 column separates long chain fatty acid oil. Finally, summary of C8 and C18 column. C8 and C18 are two different columns that we can use in HPLC. The key difference between C8 and C18 column is that the C8 column has octyl silane as the stationary phase, whereas the C18 column has octadecyl silane as the stationary phase. The main difference between C8 and C18 column in HPLC is that the C8 column contains octyl carbon chain C8 bonded silica as the stationary phase, but the C18 column contains octadecyl carbon chain C18 bonded silica. The C8 is less hydrophobic and it has less density, but the C18 column is more hydrophobic and has a high density. Therefore, the C8 has a low retention time while the C18 column has a high retention time, and thus the separation of C8 column is low, but the C18 column gives a higher separation. In brief, C8 and C18 are two types of straight chain alkyl groups used in the surface modification of silica in the reverse phase chromatography of HPLC. The reverse phase chromatography uses an aqueous, moderately polar mobile phase. This is all about the basic difference between C8 and C18 column of the HPLC. I hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching.